friends, welcome to my channel Jaswiarts. In this video, I am going to show you how to make lemon chilli punch. So, we have to prepare some ingredients for juice. Lemon juice. We have to take some sugar powder. Take some pink salt. Take some lemon slices. Take some chia seeds. Take some green chilli. Take some mint leaves. Take some ice cubes. Take one bottle to shake the juice. Add lemon slices. Add chia seeds. Add sliced green chilli. Add crushed mint leaves. Add pink salt. Add sugar powder. Juice. Add ice cubes. Add cold water. Shake the bottle to mix all ingredients. Take one glass. again in next video. Bye bye. See you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Jaswiarts. Thanks for watching. Bye.